Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. Well, today I'm going to show you how to repair a plastic fuel tank. I'm actually going to be using a plastic welding technique to seal up this hole. Somebody drilled this hole in when they were changing the fuel pump and then tried to seal it up with a sheet metal screw. It didn't work out very good. So I'm going to be doing a bit risky procedure, I guess, since there's still fuel in the tank, but I'm going to be using my soldering iron and some plastic that I salvaged off of an old lawnmower fuel tank, so I know it's the right kind of plastic, and we're going to melt that hole in. That is the plan. So here goes, guys. I'm not sure that this is very safe, but we're not inside or anything, so if it flares up I'm going to drag it out of the way and run. Okay, we're going to try and just smooth it all out now and spread it out a little bit so that it's not just adhering in that one little area. So there we go. We'll let that cure up, and there's still fuel in the tank, so I'll leak check it with the fuel. I'll just turn the tank back on its bogging, and if that doesn't leak, we're probably good to go. So there you go. That's how you fix a plastic fuel tank, quick and easy, and it doesn't even look half bad. So I hope you found the video helpful and informative. Thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.